Hey guys, Akil here, Forex trader, trading coach, and co-founder of Tier1Trading.com, and welcome back to another 5 from the live room video. In today's session, we're going to take a look at the Euro Canada using a little bit of structure and pattern formations together. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, please remember to hit that like button. If you're new, subscribe, and make sure that notification bell is hit. That way you don't miss my next upload. This is a nice structure trade, a CTSer as well. Let's start with our process. Identify, predict, decide, execute, right? What do we identify here on the Euro Canada? Where is price action trading? This should be a simple one. We are trading at previous structure resistance, right? You take a look at these two wicks right here. We have ran back up into that area and we have held, right? So looking for counter trend trading opportunities. If you're looking to be a trend trader, you would have been doing so down here, right? Up here, you don't want to get long at the ceiling. You don't want to get short at the floor. So if you're looking for a long opportunity, wait for the violation of this level first. If you're looking for a short opportunity, look for opportunities now, unless we get that violation. Now, as we go down to the 4-hour time frame, our picture gets a little bit clearer. What else do you guys see here? Very nice zone. What do we see? Gabby talked about having this on a t-shirt yesterday. We see a double top, right? Price action rallying up to a level. RSI going overbought. Slight retracement. Double top. Nice little test of our highs right here. And then we violated the lows, the V point of that double top. And now we're coming right back into previous structure. So this is a 2618 trade or a 2618 type of trade. Now I say it two different ways because once again, you can classify a 2618 as a very specific, as a pullback to a very specific location. But at the end of the day, it's no different than a pullback trade after a double top. You don't have to trade it at a 618, but of course you can if you want to. Something else that's interesting here is where we're coming to currently. What can you tell me about where we're coming to currently? Anything stand out to you guys? Just continuously putting you guys to the test of looking kind of at the small deets. Yep, we're coming back to the high of our previous wick right here. So you can see that price action after breaking, closing, or while it broke and closed below, tried to test up to this level. This was the extreme that it came to before, 147.32. So it'll be interesting to see what type of reaction we have at this area. Are the sellers once again going to protect that area, or are the buyers going to build a little bit of momentum, right? And this is a 4-hour time frame, so you got about 3 minutes. And typically, I would say this, typically within the last like couple of minutes of a candle, things get a little funky, right? Things get a little bit funky, and we start to see kind of positioning. So keep an eye on this over the last couple minutes. It could give you a very strong sign one way or the other. If we go back down to the hourly, you'll get a clearer picture of what's going on. Again, this was our little wick right here, how we came up, and then we came back down. Now we're retesting this level. Again, right now we're within the last 2 minutes of this candle, so it'll be interesting to see what forms here or how it forms. Regardless, at this point in time, you should be thinking, or maybe not even thinking, and looking at your trading plan and asking yourself, what do I need here to take a short? Right? What do you guys need to take a short at this level? Can you short at market? Do you need a lower low, lower close, right? Do you need a specific candlestick formation? Right? You should be starting to prepare yourself for what is needed in order to take the trade. You should also have your contingency plan, right? If you're planning on getting short at this level, maybe it's on the hourly or a different time frame, and this level is violated, then what does that do, right? Does that violate the entire trade for you? Or do you have to go to plan B, right? So let's say you're planning on shorting at this structure, maybe on a 15-minute chart, there is a double top there or some type of pattern formation, which is now becoming violated. We'll see in the next minute. What is another way to get involved in this trade? You may not see it. It's a sneaky one, but it's there. It's there. Yo, my man, Ali, latch up. Potential cipher, right? Going to cheat a little bit by bringing over the Ninja Trader chart. If we look at this level on Ninja, hiya. There's another dad joke for you. What does a ninja say when he introduces himself? Hiya. Get it? Hiya. Hiya. Y'all. Hiya. Max gave me the dreaded 3 dots. Ah, Kevin gave me 4. Oh, man. Tough crowd. You guys don't respect good dad jokes. I'm working on being I'm going to be the most embarrassing dad ever. Anyway, if this is violated, which we just saw, right? Which is going to negate any reason for getting along at this area because it's been violated. A secondary opportunity, X to A. Oh, let me do that. Trigger happy. X to A, swing high to swing low. Right? This is our low right here. A to B, just barely, right? B to C. CD completion right here gives you a cipher pattern at 147.45. I'm actually going to get this into our pro trade log right now. But you now need to think about, and again, this should all be thought out beforehand, how are you going to handle this cipher, right? What are the 3 ways we can handle this cipher? Or how are the 3 ways?